me send yan kame de me susu say my person wo afia so asnega kame ni attempt da because me ni attempt but evidence be a sefata na be kire Ghana for say yen tro no watwa ne de and you go the extra mile and then you do that.
No, I wasn't going to talk about this, but let's just clear the air for the sake of my fans and the idiots that are throwing their weight about. One, I don't have any issue with an Uber driver. Two, I have not been reported to any police station by an Uber driver. Three, I am not an idiot to give my money to an Uber driver. I got 4 cars. I don't have any business with Uber or Uber driver. But you see, some media house cannot deal without me. So, ignore the foolishness. Omu yisi sa energy no mfanto car foforo. No mu ntontra no aye dada. E ba ne nkole gani kro mu di trust mu kan kwase afo.
Yes you. Imo bi akọ aba me chi obi a. This is just a quick one on Afia Schwarzenegger and then try Wababon Babidi to tell the public say on you be no kwafo when it comes to issues like this and that small boy no on an poor na would in the country because maybe crossing another engineer I can find who be a baby but the same tia na can promote me and don't promote you don't call them and quick one on a Afia Schwarzenegger and me my dick I say me pay me obomofo I am a hunter so when I get inside the bush I don't deal with small animals. When I get into the sea I don't deal with small fishes. And let me handle one of the big ones. Or one of the biggest ones. Now I mean call Afia Schwarzenegger. So what's Afia Schwarzenegger about on TV video? And then I want to say, Nanisu Muadie. Now I catch Ghana for say, she is not an idiot to pay any money to any Uber. And then let me reverse what he has said to her. Say, if really she is not an idiot as she claims, now some idiot and can't chase camera will be there. Then I'm putting it back to her. Say. She's an idiot because what you cannot. So once you have paid the money and you want to describe yourself to be somebody who is not an idiot, and then Cheme say, "Uko tu cannot." Mimi na kami ni watem say we idiot. But this will be reversed to you. Say you are idiot because you have paid, you have gone there to pay the money 700 Ghana cedis. Adenti that Sunday. Who in the first place sent Inshaba Kwajo with the phone to the police station Bachona division. One and then call her. Now they draw small Inshaba Kwajo. So go to 400 Ghana cedis. A brand Inshaba Kwajo at the 400 Ghana cedis ne phone call ya Oma Angelo. They went to Afia Schwarzenegger's house. And then pick her, almost follow police patrol from the FIA 18 area hono call Bachona divisional police Okoshia police ni and then a bageni and even a Afia Schwarzenegger when you are the Gammy Susanka waji a branch any phone unlawfully our police before a frail abe foul fieno and can me call I almost trian patch on I was say seven or patch or person would do phone man and I would tears carman and kaya me and I'm just a wow I know your dear and I was yes when I will be assisting Nana and can we should have been bargain and so boy and so Joe 200 Ghana cedis for a day from Thursday to Sunday you bargain and you paid 700 Ghana cedis to the boy. I mean returning the phone to him. I didn't know the one can I bet Ghana for say you are not an idiot. What can I say there? Then Afia Schwarzenegger, you are an idiot because you have paid the money. I don't have the intent to insult anybody, no. But I'm just taking back her words to her. So I say, onye idiot, onye Jimmy for onye kwasia. And wakwa ko tuye sika ma Uber driver bi. And they say what tuye sika there? Then you are an idiot. osan you be anyo no kwafo because what could you ask? I'm telling Ghanaians. I say oba na wakwa patch our police station our Bachuna on Sunday. Say omra no me catch Ghana for say in the first place. Initially she did not send Inshaba Kojo with 400 Ghana cedis and a phone, of which the police did not accept. So they went for a friend saying a fierce as nigger patrol team at the call and ordain a car DH by. You know, Obakacha Ghana for she is not an idiot. A fierce as nigger I'm putting to me obianka me mature say me crasini. Etinka kan poa de anka won't me mempoa but me cross the same thing na no me aton chen me no nko ne mpoa ma me bese no kore ne da bia no kore da. I'm just saying say we are idiot because we say when you idiot na what sika mo bi. So once you have paid and duly we know say you went to the place, you pay 700 Ghana cedis and then you return the phone to the Uber driver no, then of course you are idiots. And you go to social media now or Canada and then now you idiot. Again a phone is slow if you a fierce as nigger but nya me kwama boatin enya me kwama boatin and na me slow a fierce as nigger me no nko ne mpoa because me ni ateson me obi a me dwen na ye nyina e free kurase by Accra ham ye mu bi ni amankran abrabo ne ewiase abrabo ekore ni matete yen eti eni mpoa. But if you come out to say you haven't even paid any money to any Uber driver, so what you are there and ka you idiot and ka betua, then you are idiot because you have paid. And the audio no about on by you know, it goes a long way to indict you and to disgrace you that you are a liar. And the okay Canada Ghana for more mustro one I could a very simple crapping polo about Betomani and now one if you are a Ghana and I know Yana, Nanoya Yansubia, a bunny buyo, and now Yamma, if we are say Brabon into Tiana Urayan, into one way we are say Brabon into Tiana Womono, Omona, Omoti red TV show, Omote social media, and Omudiatem. Now, the Messanian comedian is my personal war, if you are a Negan, come in new attempt that, because me near them. But evidence be a sefata, never check Ghana for say and tron with Canada, and you will go the extra mile. And then you do that. Oko Bachona divisional police. Hona kutu eskano. In Ghana for if you as niggas or can mobi any new. Or you be no quafo, mean castle a true. But sa issue we didn't throw. It's as for Kokutia 700 Ghana cedis to the Uber driver, which is Daniel. On Sunday afternoon. Last weekend, Sunday afternoon. No call divisional police commando. Bachuna no kokuti aseska no mo share video no na mo kra mo nim no mo pe ba bia obehwe a on tag no me I don't need to be tagging her say me kasa no because I have the platform so be dia atemne ho ahwan de emphobia ho atemne die no de nka yemu bi nka no ya so but yamma ewiase entete ye pa ewura yemu yamma Kristo entete na ewura yemu ntime ma medi watem but the mere fact say baba bontia be ka say you are not an idiot to pay any money to any Uber driver, and then you are not an idiot to go to any police station. I'm putting it back to you, so you are an idiot because you have gone to the police station. You have even paid 700 Ghana cedis to the gentleman, the Uber driver. So why then do you get that lying spirit to come and tell the public, say, now if you are just nigga, if we are say braba and cowboy, now me say. Ghana penifoni bi na ya na to bebi ha me nim say penifoni bi bedwen and then you get the politician to date a fierce nigga dey kwa na buy you kwa ba meeting say Ghana politicians ni bi na nim o conference so yes of course we obey ma be kwa twempna no dispute na o twempna o nwe hu say enkofo bi we no mo twempna then you get big politician in Ghana now the fierce nigga twempna that of so say or wait me through the shoulders about I will be asked. No, you won't sit down for this thing to happen. So far as some of us, if nothing at all, we have the media backing. Say bet me the idea din semechi. It ya same be a beba. Na wrade be man ye ho ahoden na bet me the idea chire no. Yem fam so ye hwan, yem fam so no ya. We back the poor people. Because this poor Uber driver no was using the phone just like that. It is saying you are there and you are drum. ama wa mepie radio for anka enka wo afia swase ne ganko asisi obi fon kwa ade na so wa no ya enka wa no ya no na nka wo di atem diko ena wo be ye me 100 times me emfa me ho da because enyo ye ntitru na me ye radio adwuma no wo ye me emfa me ho but ade a ebetumi expose you metumi investigation akwa do achi no I will do it Nensan can check on a phobia say afia swase ne on Monday morning and a report to ye ewo Tema Regional Police Headquarters ni nyina ye video na ye say okotwa ewo Tema Committee 4 cells rona sa video ne ba bontinti police for ton sa friend on Monday no omo detain na fiti anopa kopem enwumre 6 o'clock and san omo no bail so she's gone there. She's been granted bail. Police for say omo yem esemu hwehwemu ne blogger no kan ho no so on Tuesday he also reported and he's been granting bail abanda say no just asam no ye di Ghana for nyina nti ase say asem bia e wa Ghana ha for now say ye murder say ye rape say ye treason say ye de nyina ye bailable offenses enti since May 5th 2016 and the Supreme Court of Ghana eje and some hodo ananye bailable no they say ni nyina asem bia ye bailable so ema obi anka say adentina police for bail no amani bail no eno de omuguso omo yem hwehwem they haven't given any charge for now enti eguso ye de akire police for some yet assess a police for no more duty on that fateful day Thursday no almost nyina so police for tonsa from amoma be yin se bia no why they gave that person I used to say a fierce as nigga okokotwa video ewo cells na mawo na mpukura no omo ye half naked no eno so nyina na di akire enti no Ghana for mama akoma ntom no abrantie Daniel Oba adom de teme ho show no so last Saturday no the phone na sell no they say there wakwakotu eska no na ayesika wotua ne ye daily sales and boy the person Jeffrey name seven no wotua and one side phone na ama boy no ewo Bachuna divisional police enti sa ba na so kan de lion spirit and tinimu enu tina wa bontin ebe ka san 7 mo bia nye san 7 tumi se onkotua bibia oboa watua mirika so oyo ba de to ko no wan ga so go ntua ye de emfa ntokwa ama wo so ye emfa no ya but be bia mbran da no we will see to is the law works yenye tumi bia but the tumi ya rade dia man say tumi ka so radio so no de e be hwese e be ye ni nyina e Ghana for adwuma na mo de say yensa no rade adom ya ye e de amamo e tumi da Saturday so no emun sam ni nyina mo beti Daniel no so ba be kana so nyina enti somebody can that little boy ne de multinational woman omontu I don't want to give attention to him or a small boy enti me need attention of the man ne madam no say a big fish no or no na dealing into no say a first as nigga so a big fish in Ghana some of us upon trying no here so first a big fish in Ghana no they are loud mouth so na no so ntino obetumi aka obi asema emfa obi aho odi matam emfa me ho me matam didi emfa me ho but baby emra ne da no ye behwese be adwuma and we see to it say Tema Regional Police Command ho na akwakoduru no aya video no ho asem no ye be kwa akoduru ase eno de Ewrade adom ye be ye akwakoduru ase medam ase yami adom Saturday yenhia anti adofo amoba so nyina no yami hira mo enti bibia ni a mobati yenka akwakoduru de Ewrade adom de amayen mamu ntetu obi adi mpo a anyam netu because mo kwa mo tufu se mamu ni obi atem it that little boy ne de mo nya na life ma no ono no ye hwese mra be adwuma because oka ho bi na wo call inmate fo no ho cells ho enti picture no so e ba ye no police fo so nya page ehun so send ye and that mama me ka we na no Saturday no sa little boy no e frame me blogger no e frame me say ya boni di nti ka me frame man kasa show ni so and I'm saying say journalism on tia say we and later he wrote something on Facebook and say he's disappointed in me because obi aboni di wo show so no na man frame no me channel the work of the proper journalism and later he went back to delete it enti obi ka so obi tan obi a eno de munyin film kura your time dey adwuma wa ha o say efia say o ka na ye shamfan na me kura de e baka asem kura de awrade adom e baka asem me ka we mfan anyi awrade aye na me fan tumi hu kakra say ke baka de a omo mo ne me free abetifi at age 18 years and awrade adom sha say talk at age 18 enti e baka asem kura de a eno de ma won kakra e baka asem de a ene ma won ka because if it is Erade adomoma yene nam abrabo yimu no e ka asem kwa de monka ono no ka no pa ono nyaka free yene nyaka free by our sweat erade tumi yadom am yetumi nya ne ekura yen over 20 years ni erade adom fa afom da eti say me ka ye shamfan o say de yo eno de man ka na asebo de tu no keke munya na life ma no no nye no be ye bia enti no kwa de mo bia nya no na ka de ka na se ka nya japade eti munya na life ma no etikade munya no ono ne du ba bia okeka ne nsem se ne opebia okeka ne nsem se ne openya afi na ye be ye line up of cars sa de dem faso bia ni so faso bia ni so munya life man oh ka ka de na munya life man nyame ado be san sia this is not about our time, it's about the truth me da say eno ho asem ne ye ka no ominta obi ana sa little boy no kwa de metan de iden little boy na metan o de iden mentan no bate person na adwuma say utumi nya the power so be ko cells no ko twan crofo our more cells no badagya ba bontin no ene ne person mra na omudi enti a blogger na even GH hyper no still I didn't know e be ma no na no Tuesday on ka senka police for inviting onko wako join statement yamani bail. So we are looking forward to seeing what action the police will take. You know, I'm going to do investigation, and they have that liberty. Say, I'm going to bail. No, na police also, and yeah, they have ample time to do their further investigation. So for that one, we don't bother. But we look at it. Say, bibi abeti yako ye na omwa form hono, a form huye. So for Penny Oji, we don't catch it. Come. I want to come. Enti na enkomo no na obeji attention kakra eti na enkomo no ebe se shi ade obeso kokwa na adofo no bi asan baso mo share page no ma sa abayo na afiaso asniga na entro honhom ahye ne ma no ana ni mu ne dwe a otumi di ntro ani mu dwe asama ye no kwepefe evidence wo ho na wa yero ho na wo di ntro na wa ba be video as I didn't trust say bibi as any ho wonye jimifo onye idiot say idiot you be a jimiana say onye idiot and now I could trace kama Uber driver. So I am putting it back to a fear as nigga say the son of Akandia and yet him doing the buy but son of Akandia and now she is the biggest idiot. I'll bet me could trace the ama Uber driver no awo Bachuna divisional police on Sunday but you have 700 Ghana cedis and or returning the phone no man patcho because odu who say asem no enya better sir because mo Ghana phone na yensua enyema bebre say enya mra wo ba bia enya mra e wo ba bia say wo be sizi obi phone say me twa picture cry say enya mra say me twa picture without your consent no it is also not legal. Say also beka say who seizing the phone. No, emra say I was so kwaje court warrant and say what me da be seizing the phone. The police ni kura e ka so atwa the picture. Enyemra also ni so atwa obi picture. Eni na no so. Na say for yes ade no kura mpa. The person doesn't have the access to your device. So kwaje police court warrant and say what me the ade. Attention so. And you have officials nigga one afro honsa we celebrity and ofro honsa we celebrity now say we gina baby a honsa public now you tell picture then you have that audacity say oba beji phone every on insam and I can say that big politician on here officials nigga trip from me man try do ha ye hu baby ye be man fa na ka officials nigga enkrofo ya so no twempra no e se ga yes am eyi na wo obi a wani afi na we big politician na misuma sa politician no sa woni afia so na ga kokko hwe pa ma ye na menka so nyoba oyoba nemu no ne character Now wo politician. What's one on the Chempra? And a whoop. Is a politician, no who's ye because I fear she as nigger. I also then back Chemprano. I don't know whom I'm guessing this one will be a Chempra. And I was saying she's supposed to pay more than 700. I know that one at the channel because they do order. Then that one discretion because so when near some HBU, what the cocoa to cry bed. You don't know what the Asanako, Waji, or Pacho. Oh, I fear Schwarzenegger begged the Uber driver in front of the police. That's what we have 700 Ghana cedis. Into come with us 7 there, they are thrown worker, and we was close here. Yami at my Saturday, I don't tell me how I bear fire. And so maybe a while back, in Srono. The same radiadum in Zobia, no crano hopadia, Yebeka, and say a bit two and a more. I investigation there, and not there, Mamus Roho. Investigation, and the radiadum, and the Nunya Namaradi, saying yet, cry, Emma Man too. And yet they cry, baby, I said, will be a never call. And I'm not coming, I'll be cool. So God bless you, boss. I'm sure we be a quantum message. I'm sure we be a sweat in the crano. Hannah no crano. Mobian, fine, Trubia, not doubt. I'm sure we be a sweat in the crano. Hey, Abayano or and throw home. I know the name. Mobian Nintrono. Muntin the crano. She's been exposed. Why you not go for us answer we? Yamis will be out to a chino crano. Saturday is here. But I see so for Oji. So for your man me. Oji. Hey man me. Me nobody no na mumu no woso. Hey man me. Hey Ghana for ne man me. Who abujira man me de obo o. Nanasi me da so aba so say wan kan ho. Enti uba so say ya no a share page no. No akwa akire akwakotie no kre no. Aba besi anim. Enti uba foforo kwa chire ne kotie no kura no free anim we be si achire wo je mensre wo ya ba na o eze obia ya no de covid oje memfa bibia za covid the radias ya menzo bia esi ya kra no obia babontin obia ma mi boss bu Emerson Crawford Jeffia Schwarzenegger asem na dia ma medwe ho amenti ase enti mo share page we mani kwa chiri se se aba hu se obi one of the biggest industry persons wa hosa fu me bisa me se Jeffia Schwarzenegger asem a wo kan na ye no kra na enye no kra mo share page no se na be ya obi a benya sa no kra ibiati na no poku ashes o se crash we man, what's a cratchy? She bribe you. Let me bribe it that way. We will be able to me bribe me because a radiadum. Or probably a faswa. It's me and the Bekoya no dear. No dear. It's me. Mammy, I'll say she's glad you stood up to enforce the law. Yes. I know the radiadum. And Jim, someone share page your money question because or no dear no. Ghana for ya Jinadi say or Uber driver no or Yeboah. Now yes, so far as we are concerned, and the real evidence we have, so I put Tiano. Me the police for the Kasai. Me na me make me in Kasai me, but me can in the for the purpose of this conversation. Say me ne police for a war batuna edi nkomo. Ebra one 400 Ghana cedis suma in Sheba Kojo. That one is one training in Omu here for Schwarzenegger and they went to his house, her house. And no a deep police for the eba police station. And there's somebody too much. And to Montiano Crano. Sikani tu anadie. Meme man could be that day, Namwa sorry. Na that is be a year. Many commander na kasai commander no ema oduru ho boy ni duru ho no omo obi adum ni phone etie no de for the purpose there video there nya bibia na ye personal thing say what you sika no driver no ho what you she confirmed to me many police for no ho ni nyankita hodie ebra omo ko afia Schwarzenegger ho akofa no I was on phone henti enya evidence na any video eno so ye one of the prime evidences, but enye ni nyina na betumi aka onipa no ho watua sika no and so obo a me yakase Sunday didn't she go to Bachona divisional command okoye wagwagoshia uba na man on the phone na these are some of the questions, and if these questions are thrown to her no so be deny that no Saturday that will talk there's no big deal and when ye issue kese bia na yakase ye kwakọ frɛ obi that is the fact. Man dey madi machi ache Awurade adom ensema hodo bebre ade aba radio so no obi ene ma obi aba bonte abe dispute because oba oni fact na ye fact no and ye catch us the fact is that she's gone there on Sunday afternoon, pay 700 Ghana cedis and then return the phone to the guy and open here and as Monday so regional command of the Tema police omo invite a Fiat Schwarzenegger and opa or how at 6 p.m. and say na wonya police inquiry bail and asem so mugusu and no the matter of video na yesusu say or no if you have something and kuku twa ye no eno eho asem so ya hyase enti boy the phone dey ne saka na ade ade an ehia say boy ne sabeka ne phone and in the daily sales na wo hia and he's gotten it and we are happy and open here and no boy ne so boy nya ne phone no and ne sika no we ontumi pursue case ni bia biwa any problem bia but the fact that she infringed on his right obetumi de na court but also ne ho hia no enti no de no problem enti na no so ho nkomo and no give joy gh ewa ha and I say don't mind her enti me da say citizen Rina day Dizzy okay and I say George Darling G me da say me da win say ya me ya da besia Emmanuel or himi enzo ha me da say e va to fosu violate I mean cattle na mo share page no fama me na wo ba from so a free anim start from the beginning to the end for you to know the truth, because this guy is just going round and then speculating what is not true. Don't mind the truth of the matter is that she's paid 700 Ghana cedis and then giving back the phone to the guy, and that is the most important thing that we are looking for on the show, and it's gotten that results. We are seeing him and bro Faba Ruth Afutu Medase Nafi Juliana Asante my wife Jaga Sen from Adam Mensa Chotome, one of the seasoned journalists. Yes, Medase P. Medase FNC. I am a page in the Miami Adama Saturday. Ibeshia Entertainment Hall. This is Mike 2 baby. I have Mike 2 Barber Shop and the Rabbi Yuti. A man in a Momra na me wo nice guys a omo yi mama ne akono na fe wo mo die uti no colors bia opebia e be die the amount. So come to Mike 2 Barber Shop for a nice look. Nana ankuma me da sipi and the Mike 2 Barber Shop we were counting na sound na tisa no Juliana Asante was I love you, I love that my dear me da say yes and even say Julie say akala no here nice one. Let me show you. So what you know, brother?